want to talk to you about one of the best stocks I've ever encountered in my life. It's called Turtle Beach Corporation. Ticker symbol here, HEAR. In 2018, this stock went up an astonishing 15 times in 5 short months. We're going to do a deep dive understanding how this stock came to a major inflection point. And after watching this video, you'll have a grasp of what was going on with the company, along with how price was reacting to the changing fundamentals. Hopefully, we can take these clues and use it as a template to catch the next Turtle Beach. Let's not waste any more time and get started. Nothing contained within this video should be interpreted as a recommendation to purchase, sell, or hold any security at any time. Always consult with an investment advisor familiar with your specific situation before you make any investment. We do not provide investment advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Hello, my name is Brian Cota, founder of 4387 Capital. We have an important video for you discussing one of my favorite stocks. So a bit about Turtle Beach to set the stage before this incredible move. They primarily manufacture gaming headphones. Turtle Beach had way too much debt relative to its cash flow. The company was left for dead because the company was saddled with way too much debt, leaving one of the ugliest balance sheets I've ever seen. But they had one special product, and this one special product was able to save them. Do you remember years ago the Fortnite craze? This craze was unbelievable. Every gamer was playing it, and you needed 3D headphones to get the full experience. Turtle Beach had the best headphones, and every gamer wanted them. Now, let's go over the fundamentals. First, let's begin with the balance sheet. Turtle Beach owed everyone under the sun, including banks, preferred shareholders, and they even had a slug of subordinated debt. By any fundamental accounts, this company was barely surviving. Next, the income statement. 2016 was a horrific year for the company, mainly due to an asset impairment charge. Even after adding that back, the company still lost a lot of money. But after doing a deep dive, an astute investor would have noticed, in the last quarter of 2017, the company made more money than the prior year. This was an important clue. Now we're going to do a deep dive and analyze the improving fundamentals and also understand what was going on with the stock price in real time. But before we do, however, I want to highlight I believe most fundamental investors would have missed this incredible opportunity because the fundamentals were so poor. But as you're about to see, someone who has an understanding of using charts could have led you to finding a massive winning trade. On March 6, 2018, Turtle Beach reported Q4 results. We discussed earlier that year-over-year earnings were improving, but I want to emphasize the CEO's commentary. Turtle Beach highlighted how their products were significantly outpacing the industry. In fact, their products on a sell-through basis were leading the industry, and they believe it was due to the Fortnite craze. In addition, they refinanced their debt to more favorable terms, lowering financing-related expenses. Take it from me, banks only provide friendlier debt packages when they see a favorable turn in the business. Banks are privy to inside information, so whenever you see this sort of language, there is a high probability that earnings are improving. A topic for a different video. Now, onto the chart. The clue that I want to highlight was its volume pattern that week. Although the stock wasn't up much, it had a huge volume signature. Volume was well ahead over its average turnover, which can be a clue for further research. It also seemed to be forming a bottom, coinciding with the business turnaround. Now, a few weeks later, Turtle Beach released preliminary first quarter numbers, and they were outstanding. Revenues were up over 174% compared to prior year. More importantly, earnings were expected to be up significantly. Last, their sell-through basis was accelerating. Savvy investors were now starting to catch on. After announcing preliminary results, the stock responded with a 53% surge that week, and this is just the beginning. A month later, Turtle Beach finally released its first quarter earnings, and they were spectacular. They were even better than what they guided just a few weeks prior. Not only that, they were able to retire expensive preferred shares at a deep discount. With all these catalysts, the stock responded with a 150% increase alone that week. Even after that huge move, the stock ended up doubling after that point. From around $2 to $3 a share, the stock ended up peaking that August at $34 a share, representing a 10x return to shareholders in 5 months. Unfortunately, all good things come to an end. Professional investors most likely would have considered selling their shares when it breached its rising 10-week moving average, as the story was discovered and played out. What we can learn from this stock is how quickly a story can change and how the improving fundamentals resulted in a major stock price appreciation. Turtle Beach is one of my favorite historical stocks to analyze, not just because of the massive price move, but how a great investment can be right under our nose. As you were watching this video, you were probably thinking to yourself how many times you heard about the game Fortnite, and all it took was a bit of awareness and some old-fashioned investigating. The realization for me is we can capitalize on opportunities if we just take some time to look. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll catch you on my next video.